Welcome, you're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monli Sarambai bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. On his third day of visit to the West United States province SUO on November 17, the Rector Major Father Angel Fernandez Artime continued his knowledge of the Salesian presence in the Los Angeles area. The three main moments of his day were his visits to the St. John Bosco High School and to the Don Bosco Tech in Rosemead, and again at Bellflower, the Eucharist in honor of Saint Artemides Zati, celebrated together with the members of the Salesian family. The morning of dawn, A.F. Artime opened with the Eucharistic celebration presided over by him, with the Salesians, the laity involved in the Salesian mission, and the young people present in the house of the St. John Bosco High School. Subsequently, moving between the different structures of the same building, the Rector Major went to the new gymnasium of the Institute, freshly restored, in front of the stands full of students and staff of the center. The Rector Major received the tributes of the educational community, including a school sweatshirt, and gave his solemn blessing to the new basketball court. And to inaugurate the structure with dignity, he also launched a basket shot, the first official of the renovated complex. From Thursday, November 10 through Sunday, November 13, young people and their young ministers from the United States gathered in Long Beach, California to do a number of important things: get into the boat with Jesus and commit their lives even more deeply to their Catholic faith, give praise and worship to God as a Catholic community, be formed in those skills, attitudes and choices that would make them more solid in their Catholic faith, be of responsible service to others, and discern their vocation in life. The Salesian family was well represented from both North America provinces, with Salesians, Daughters of Mary Help of Christians, and lay collaborators in the various youth ministry offices and ministries. Also, the Salesian family was responsible for organizing the Reconciliation Room, where over 1,000 young people received the sacrament of reconciliation over 2 days. Moreover, 6 young people from St. Dominic Saviour Church in Bellflower, CA, United States, West Province, SUO, were invited to present at the National Catholic Youth Conference in the USA. The topic presented was how to accompany young people with the Salesian charism. The Salesian-driven project for the construction of incubators, Cunhas que Salvan Vidas, incubators that save lives, which just a few days ago won the first prize of the Learning Service 2022 in the Development Cooperation section, is a clear example of a successful result of collaboration between schools, organizations, and businesses. A few days before the awarding of the prize on October 17, and as a starting point for the project in this new school year, the team leading it composed of the Salesians of Pamplona and the NGOs Medicina Arbieta al Mundo and Ayuda Contestadores organized a day to hand over the 50th incubator to the NGO Ambala. It was a symbolic act, certainly, but also a very real one. This is an incubator that is already as its destination to fulfill its mission of saving lives. We want it to be a moment to express our gratitude and to continue to grow, the Pamplona Salesians said at the occasion. Present at the handover of the 50th incubator were several NGOs and collaborating companies such as Mitores, which donated some of the 3D elements used to build the cradles, Moshi, which donated bed sheets, Hoffman Group, which donates cutting tools, Falcon, which manufactures electronic boards for the cradles, Asura Zabala, which financially supports the project, and Kazi Bank, which is responsible for the Duazila FP Empresa initiative and supported this initiative during the past academic year. Pakistan is still continuing the victims and damage from the monsoon rains that killed more than 1,500 people in late August, leaving at least 500,000 Pakistanis homeless and 1/3 of the country underwater. More than 1 million homes and about 3,000 kilometers of roads were damaged or destroyed. More than 1 million animals killed, crops wiped out. The government said a total of more than 33 million people were affected and quantified the damage as at least 10 billion. The Salesians responded immediately to the emergency, giving themselves and asking for outside help to increase opportunities to help those in need. For example, Salesian coadjutor Brother Piero Ramello, a native of the Piedmont and Aosta Valley special circumscription who has been a missionary in Pakistan since 2020, immediately contacted Mission Don Bosco, the Salesian mission office in Turin, which in turn took immediate action ensuring that the needy in Pakistan will receive initial help through its emergency fund. With the funds received from the Missione Don Bosco from Misiones Salesianas of Madrid, from the Salesian Mission Office of South Korea and from Switzerland, we won't be able to exactly support all the families who had asked for help and who were included in the flood emergency in Sindh and Punjab project. But a good part of them, yes, reports Brother Ramello gratefully. On November 12th, the Minister of Finance, Women and Childhood Development of the Indian state of Assam, the Honorable Ajanta Nyok, inaugurated the first and second floors of the building intended for the academic arts, the computer laboratory, and the power station powered by solar panels of the Don Bosco College. The program was coordinated by the direction of the Don Bosco College and by the Student Forum under the guidance of Father Anthony Sami Amaldos, Vice Dean of the Institute. The event was also attended by the President of the Municipality of Golaghat, Mrs. Dulumoni Borbora, numerous benefactors and religious. This important initiative aims to improve the literacy rate of Golaghat. For this, compliments have arrived from the Minister, who, in her speech, she recalled that education is the foundation of society and congratulated the Don Bosco College for the excellent work it does in promoting education among young people. Finally, after the greetings of the Dean, Father Polycarp Zalzo, the students performed folk dances wearing traditional clothes, Assamese, Karbi, Adivasi and Wancho, thus highlighting how cultural diversity is protected and encouraged in this institution. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.